It's another Maryland Midweek Cruise-In, Leonardtown. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. This Chevy truck, I like these. I like this body style. I like them all. Pretty neat. This Chevy truck, we've seen this one before. Square body. Neat. Let's walk through here and get some of these from the other direction. There's Billy's Henry J. 1951. So some of the Henry J's had trunk lids, some don't. The early ones don't. So you have to access the storage area from the back seat. Now we'll have to get back. We got the shadow in the way. All right, let's come over here and take a look at this. Challenger. Mike's Mustang. New Edge. Got the little bit of a turnout tonight. Nice weather. I don't know why there's not more of a turnout. It's embarrassingly high amounts of pollen on the G8. Look at that. There's OBS truck. Pretty neat. Mustang. Oh, hey, look at this. I thought I recognized this. It's Chaz. Pugliese Speed Shop. Wonder where he's at. I'll have to chase him down. It's a Harley. Let's go back over here. Henry J. The Chevy truck with the extended cab. We looked at this one last week. Nice custom work on that. Thunderbird 67 Chevelle. Sedan delivery.
He pissed my grandmother off one day. He put it into the den.
Porsche.
And let it sit there all winter long. You know.
They'll let anybody here, won't they?
Obviously.
How you doing?
All right, how you doing?
Good.
Good.
Just doing a little video for the channel.
Nice. That part over there for the G8 over there.
I saw it, then I got embarrassingly high amounts of pollen. I didn't get a chance to wash it, but that's okay.
I just dusted mine before I got here.
There's Aubrey's Magnum wagon. That's pretty neat. And we got one that snuck in over here. How about a 72 Nova? That's pretty nice.
Yeah, a lot of people, and they have the interior.
Drag Week 2025 participant. Oh, I like the fabric seats. That's neat. Looks like a 32-ish Chevy, I think. Pretty neat. I like the wheels and everything on it. It's pretty neat. Let's look inside. Oh, yeah. Looks neat. I love the hood ornament. Here's another late arrival, Tim's truck. This is the 53 to 55 style. 56 looks like this, but it's got wraparound windshield and sort of like a trapezoidal vent window instead. I got a shadow on there. Let's back up till we get no shadow. There we go. Look at that.